Kiss warning. Hi, it's Cage Cat. So, the only reason why I'm posting this is because this took me 2 days to make, and I'm really proud of the shading. But yeah, other than that, this is just me being dumb with my comfort and stuff. But all I gotta say is no harassing anybody in the comments about shipping. I don't want shipping wars. I personally ship it. I don't care if you don't ship it, because it's completely understandable. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hydrate. And I will see you next video.